Hello everyone, welcome to VisualSnaps. Today we're talking about why you need a 5-in-1 reflector. A 5-in-1 reflector is an extremely useful tool. It can be used to control the light around you and change its properties. 5-in-1 reflectors are very lightweight and fold up into a small, compact size, meaning you can take it almost anywhere. You can use the silk part of it to diffuse regular house lights to make them more soft. You can use the reflector portions to control the lights as well, and even control the sun. One of the parts of a 5-in-1 reflector is a black mat, which can be used to block out unwanted light. A 5-in-1 reflector is an inexpensive way to control the light that you already have and make your videos look better. Like this video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below and I'll be sure to answer them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.